In this video, I will show you how to sell or convert your Hamster Kombat on Bybit in 2 minutes. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your asset. You can see your asset. So when you click on your asset, then the next thing you need to do is to click on convert. So you can convert here. So you click on convert. Then under your convert, you are going to see from and to. Now we are converting from Hamster Kombat to USDT. USDT is a stable coin. So by the time you convert it or you sell it to USDT, you've already secured that fund. That fund is yours. But when it is still in Hamster Kombat, you know, the price may go down or it may go up. But for you to secure that, okay, this something now I've converted into USDT or US dollar, as the case may be. So this is how to get it done. So from you are going to select Hamster Kombat. So you are going to search HMSTR. You see that the Hamster Kombat is not here now because Hamster Kombat is not yet listed. So in a few hours time, Hamster Kombat will be listed. So, but for this purpose or for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using dogs, DOG, dogs. Then another thing we need to do, if you look at up here, it says funding. That's where your funds is located. It's located under unified trading account. You can see it down below here. So I'm going to select it. So we've selected where our money is. Then here we are going to click on the amount of Hamster Kombat we want to sell. So we're going to click on maximum. If you want to sell all, if you want to sell all, you click on maximum. If you want to sell, add all the one you want to sell. Then here where they wrote to, you're going to select it to what? To USDT. So you're going to enter USDT. So you select. Then when you are done, you see the rate here. Then you can see the amount you are going to receive. Then you click on quote. So when you click on quote, you are going to see the preview of your transaction. Then when you are done, you now confirm. You click on confirm. You get that. So done. So conversion completed. So you've been able to convert it now from your probably Hamster Kombat to USDT. So with this now, you can be able to transfer your USDT to your bank account. So in our subsequent video, in a few hours time, we'll be releasing a video on how you can transfer it to your bank account. You can send it to your bank account. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell icon, so that when we release the video on how to convert your bank account, you get the notification for that. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time for more updates.